Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the credentials you are using are invalid in Epic Games Launcher. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. You just need to search for Epic Games. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. And after closing this, just to close stuff here. Now we just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, find Epic Games Launcher folder, saved folder, web cache folder. You just need to click on any folder over here and press in keyboard Control plus A to select all and right click on it and delete it. After deleting this, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games. Before sign in, you just need to select this gear icon. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. You just need to wait for this to get done. After getting done, there is no problem guys, as you can see. After that, you just need to go back and now you can log in with your account and your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.